So automotive has always been a part of my life and a true passion of mine. Whether it was me messing with cars in high school or when I went to college in Colorado, where things really started to snowball for me.
We're here with Hochman out of Aurora, Colorado, and he's no stranger to D-Sport DVD, and he's no stranger to going fast in drag racing. You're the #1 qualifier once again.
Working on Subarus and building Subarus, whether it was the 2.5 RS that I had a small nitro shot on, or the STI that we ultimately built and went into the low 10s on. And we were very successful with that car. We raced at Bandimere Speedway in Colorado for many years and took many titles, but ultimately moved back to Illinois to be with our own family. And that helped shift us over to the Mitsubishi platform, not only because that car ended up hitting the wall and we ended up selling it to another owner, but we decided that with all of the resources like Boost and Performance local to us and say AMS Performance, this is like the mecca for the Mitsubishi. So we sold that platform, fell into this one, and have been building it heavy ever since. I decided that I needed to become a fabricator and start building my own parts and learning how to weld, because this is a very expensive hobby and the resources aren't cheap. So being self-sufficient and being able to make my own parts was something that I decided I needed to do on my own. And I never truly understood how important it was for me to do that until I had to make something like the Scatter Shield, which built this brand and where we are today. I was at an NHRA facility and they wouldn't let me run any faster than a 10.0 because I didn't have a Scatter Shield. So the official told me, hey, you need to either get one or have someone make you one, or make one yourself. And it was like an aha moment. I went home, bought the materials, started developing this for my car, the Mitsubishi Evo 8, and after posting some pictures of it online on social media, it blew up overnight. I had people all over the world emailing me and messaging me, telling me they had a fast Evo that was in the same boat and they wanted to buy one. So I took deposits and filled those orders, and the brand was born. Hochman Fabrication and Speed was being run out of my garage at home. I was working for Bosch Professional Power Tools full-time. And after a little while of building stuff out of my garage, I made the leap to a full-time job. We opened a 2-bay facility and were one other employee besides myself for a year before things blew up and we knocked the wall down, took on the building next door, and now have 4 bays, and it's just crazy to think about where we've gone. Right now we've got some cars in here that you probably would never see on the road every day, like a Rezvani, for instance. Some people probably haven't even heard of that brand, but we have a very unique project in here. We work on everything from Honda Civics to Lamborghinis and beyond. I used to say between, but with things like this in the shop, it's hard to say that anymore. I never really know of all these platforms because I'm learning about new projects every day, and with us building custom things every day, there's really no rule book on this. That's what's led us ultimately to building one of the fastest Evos in the world today. Right now we're sitting at number 11 with an 8.1 at 177, and we're looking forward to getting back out there soon to hopefully break into the 7s.